कोई बात नहीं, देखते हैं इसको. Let's see. Let's start with this. चलो उसको डिनर करना है, जल्दी करते हैं. U is equal to sin inverse of x upon y. तो मुझे डबल डेरिवेटिव निकालनी है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मुझे जानना पड़ेगा व्हाट इज साइन इनवर्स x का डेरिवेटिव. साइन इनवर्स थीटा का कर देता हूं मैं, x ही रहने देते हैं. अगर मैं इफ यू डिफरेंशिएट साइन इनवर्स x, व्हाट यू गेट द फर्स्ट थिंग. सो व्हाट यू गेट? यस मिस. So it is, I think, 1 upon under root of sin inverse x ना, 1 minus x square. और साइन में एक x आता है ऊपर, साइन में एक x आता है ऊपर, नहीं आता. ठीक है, ठीक है. Square minus 2. x आता है ऊपर. Derivative of sin inverse x. Okay. So let's check it. अगर नहीं होता है तो तुम्हारा बुक है. Okay. Now let's try this. If you want to perform the chain rule, let me show it to you. I will put it as u is equal to sin inverse a, where a is equal to x upon y. Next time I will not perform sine rule. Straight away I am going to differentiate. Okay. So this is my del u by del a, which is nothing but sine inverse, and that is x upon. So in this case, a upon under root 1 minus a square. And the next one is del a by del x. And that is x derivative is 1. So हमको क्या चाहिए? del u by del x चाहिए. तो चेन रूल में क्या करते थे? ये करते थे. So this is the first part, this is the second part. Del a multiply करेंगे, del a divide करेंगे. So this part is known to me, a upon under root of 1 minus a square, and this part is known to me 1 by y. So what is my a then? A is equal to, क्या माना था हमने? x by y, and this is under root of 1 minus x square y square into 1 by y. थोड़ा एलसीएम लेंगे तो x by y divided by, ये अंडर रूट के अंदर में है, so अंडर रूट ऑफ y square minus x square, y square minus x square divided by y. और इधर में एक y है, ये वाला y. So this y and this y will cancel out, and your result is x upon y under root of y square minus x square. Please look at the result. Please have a look. X upon, आंसर तो सही है. Now please do this. Derivative of sin inverse x.
According to QMath, what is the derivative of sin inverse x? The derivative of sin inverse x is 1 square root, where minus 1 less than x less than 1. Derivatives of all inverse trigonometric functions.
Okay. सही है. बस एक गड़बड़ किया मैंने. 1 by a. ये माइनस का आएगा. Why this is minus? Why I'm putting this minus? Why I'm putting this minus? Just tell me, anybody? देखो, जब मैं इसको डिफरेंशिएट करता हूं ना, so what I get? Sin inverse this. So what I put straight away? What is the format? This. So this is my x. So what is my x over here? X by y divided by under root of 1 minus x square y square into, such as you go inside, अंदर जाके डिफरेंशिएट करूंगा x का, तो x का करेंगे ना 1 by माइनस क्यों आ रहा है? माइनस तो नहीं आना चाहिए, प्लस ही है ये. नो नो नॉट माइनस, प्लस. कीप इट प्लस, नो प्रॉब्लम. बाद में देखेंगे, अभी प्लस रखो. सब ठीक है, सब ठीक है, चलो आगे बढ़ो. बाद में गड़बड़ होगा, देखेंगे ना फिर कहाँ पे गड़बड़ हो रहा है. नो प्रॉब्लम. Okay, try to differentiate once again, sir, with respect to y now. So I have done with respect to x now. First derivative x done. Next, I will differentiate this with respect to y. So here is my function. So del y by del y का फंक्शन क्या दिया हुआ था मेरे लिए? एक मिनट रुकना. फंक्शन मेरा था u थरे u. So u. So this is the meaning of what? Double derivative of u del y del x. And if you look at the question, this is my left hand side. This is my right hand side. Look at the question, please. So this is my right hand side. So I need to differentiate again. I need to differentiate again. So let's differentiate. So please have a look. So अब थोड़ा सा ये देखना. कोई बात नहीं सर, आराम से करेंगे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. So this is my x, y, derivative of y square minus x square. So this is a derivative of y. This is a derivative of y. All right. चलो u भी लगाते हैं. कैसे लगाएं? कैसे लगाएं? Now, please have a look. del y x, जो मेरा कोई काम का नहीं है, बाहर पटको उसको. y का डेरिवेटिव कर रहे हैं, तो न्यूमरेटर में 1 by y लिख दे रहा हूं, and you write it in the denominator y square minus x square. It's very clear now. Let us make it simple. So this is my u and this is my v. फॉर्मूला याद है होगा आपको. v derivative of u plus, that is y, plus u derivative of v divided by v square. Just put it and you will get your answer. Just put it and give your answer. चलो करते हैं. x बार एक बड़ा सा ब्रैकेट खोलते हैं. चलो v. So this is y square minus
root
x
y
square
square minus x square.
Got it? Derivative of 1 by y क्या होता है? Derivative of 1 by y. So इसको मैं differentiate करना चाहता हूँ. See, I am showing you all the steps, हाँ? As if कोई +2 का बच्चा है, ऐसा कर रहे हैं हम. फिर भी अगर नहीं आ रहा है तो please don't hesitate, हाँ? -1 y to the power -1 -1 n -1. So that produces 1 by y square. So into negative of 1 by y square minus वेदांत चला जा भाग जा, खाना नहीं मिलेगा।
Yes, sir. I'm here, sir.
भाग जा बंद हो जाएगा मैस।
Thank you, sir.
ना 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 नीचे अगला स्टेप। अब मैं 1/y एज इट इज रखूंगा। अब मैं नीचे वाले को डिफरेंशिएट करूंगा। So let's differentiate the denominator. And what is present in the denominator? So derivative of y of this, and you bring it to the numerator, y square minus x square to the power minus half. Look at the trick. I'm showing all the calculations separately. Please keep on writing, please, at least. So if you differentiate, it is minus 1/2 y square minus x square to the power minus 1/2 minus 1. Minus 1/2 minus 1. But it is still not over, because you need to go inside and differentiate with respect to y, and that is 2y, chain rule, minus 0. So here's my final answer. This 2 and 2 will cancel out, and I will be left with minus y upon y square minus x square to the power 3/2, or minus y upon under root of y square minus x square to the power cube, because I've kept root over there, and you can say this as into minus y under root of y square minus x square to the power cube. Please check it. Divided by under root of y square minus x square whole square. Please look at this. Please look at this. Now you may take LCM and all. You may solve it. Okay. And you can minimize it. So this is just an example how you proceed with this type of questions. Okay. Now, written one more from your worksheet. If z is equal to e to the power ax plus by, function ax minus by. Just we did this type of question in the last session. Please check it whether it is same or not. Please check it whether it is same or not. So you need to prove this. So prove it. Is it same? Was it same? Yes, Ethan. Same था क्या?
1 second, sir. I'm checking.
चेक कर रहा हूँ सर, एक सेकंड।
Oh, no, sir. We have not done this.
चलो सर बस यही सुनना था मुझे। ठीक है। So differentiating with respect to x. Now, please try that. I'm sending you the link again. Please try it. Differentiate with respect to x. See the previous class numerical, okay? You will get it.